Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add GitHub repository in Jenkins. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will be needing to get uh, the GitHub repository. For example, you will need just to go to repository, get the code, and of course you copy the URL. And here we are just going to follow this article and it will show you exactly how to get your GitHub and link it to Jenkins since we need to add a GitHub plugin into Jenkins. So basically you will create a new job by clicking on creating new item, and by clicking on creating a new job you will be able to start seeing all the items, etc. So now we will be needing to create a pipeline. That means we will be needing to pipe in or to flow in our GitHub repository into Jenkins, and then you can start continuing the flow. And basically now you will click on OK. And now you will be needing to build the trigger. So when you go to the OK, you will find triggers, and basically you will be needing to add GitHub hook triggers for Git polling. And now you will be needing to add the GitHub repository. And basically, then in the pipeline, you will be able to add the GitHub repository. You will choose just Git. You paste the URL that we have just copied here, and then you can choose the branch that you would like, either the master branch or any other version of your code. And of course, you can add a script path, and basically it will be this one or any other path that you have if you have some custom path. And then you can add a webhook to GitHub by going to your Git repository, and basically from settings we can add a webhook. So basically to settings, and then we can find the webhooks, and from here we can just add the add webhook, and then we will be needing to add the link of or the IP address of your uh, the Jenkins repo or the Jenkins project. And from here, you will need just add the webhook. And of course, you will be needing to add the IP address, and basically that's it. So then you will need just to start building now. And now you have your Jenkins that will be building your project. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.